आप सबका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है स्पेशल डे स्पेशल स्टोरीज में। एवरी डे स्पेशल राइट, सो यू डोंट नीड अ स्पेशल डे टू मेक द डे स्पेशल। सो आज कोई खास दिन नहीं है, पर मैं एक ऐसे महान व्यक्ति की कहानी सुनाकर इस दिन को खास बनाना चाहता हूँ। सो ये कहानी है एसी भक्ति वेदांता स्वामी श्रीला प्रभुपदा जी की, द फाउंडर ऑफ ISKCON, इंटरनेशनल सोसाइटी ऑफ कृष्णा कॉन्शियसनेस। Today, ISKCON has more than 100 temples, ashrams and culture centers. Every day, ISKCON feeds more than lakhs of people in the world. You might have heard Steve Jobs lecture. During his struggle time, he also used to go to ISKCON temple to have his one-time food. This is the great and good impact of Indian culture on the world and on the humanity. So let's come to the interesting part, the story of Srila Prabhupada ji from his spiritual practices to the foundation of ISKCON. So let's go. श्रीला प्रभुपदा जी का जन्म अभय चरण दे के नाम से हुआ था। उनका जन्म सितंबर 1, 1896 में हुआ था एक हिंदू परिवार में। इन 1922 वो एक स्कॉलर और रिलीजियस लीडर श्रीला भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती जी से मिले और उनसे मिलकर वो बहुत ही ज्यादा इन्फ्लुएंस हुए। और तब सिद्धांत जी ने अभय से कहा कि तुम कृष्ण ज्ञान को और भगवत गीता के नॉलेज को इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग वर्ल्ड के साथ शेयर कर पाओगे। अभय बीइंग अ वेरी डिसिप्लिन स्टूडेंट ऑफ सिद्धांत जी, he started preparing for 32 years for his journey to West, and this gave birth to AC Bhakti Vedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada ji. In 1965, he traveled to New York through a cargo ship. ये सफर बहुत ही ज्यादा अनोखा था क्योंकि भक्ति वेदांता स्वामी जी को 2 बार हार्ट अटैक आया था शिप में। But finally he reached United States of America just with $7 in Indian rupees and a translation of Sanskrit text. Srila Prabhupada ji then started sharing the knowledge of Krishna consciousness, and slowly young people got connected with them and their knowledge. With the help of these young people, he rented a small storefront in the state of New York to use as a temple. And finally, on 11 July 1966, he registered his organization in the state of New York as International Society of Krishna Consciousness, ISKCON. After that, Srila Prabhupada ji saw a young boy starving for food, so he decided to nourish the poor people and began the world's largest vegetarian food relief program. Now ISKCON temple gives the knowledge about Krishna consciousness and to help us to understand the inner positivity. This is the greatness of our Indian culture and the Vedic knowledge. Whole world is understanding that the Vedic knowledge and our Indian culture has a real way to live a happy and peaceful life. Thank you so much AC Bhakti Vedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada ji for giving this knowledge to the world and telling the importance of Vedic culture and our Indian culture to the world. Thank you so much. And if you like the video, please go and like the video, share the video, and don't forget to follow Positivity Around for more such positive videos. And हमेशा मुस्कुराते रहना और खुश रहना।